Lola here back with another video. Today's video is going to be a client makeup video. Right now I'm just taking a disposable spoolie and running them through her brows before taking a Wet n Wild pencil in the color dark brown to line the bottom and the top of her brows. My client has a naturally high arch and she also holds her brows up. I just follow the natural shape of her brows. Next, I take my angled brush and use that to blend the lines together to create a very natural brow. Then I brush them through with the spoolie to keep them looking nice. Now I'm going to conceal her brows with my E.L.F. E.L.F. concealer on the bottom using tan neutral. I drag it down and blend it out. Then on the top, I'm going to be using Deep Chestnut. I drag the concealer across the top and bottom to make sure that they are level as possible. And I brush through some brow gel. Now I'm putting the black base that will be her foundation of her smoky eye. This is the NYX base. I'm starting to spread. I make sure to spread the base exactly where I want it. Next, I'm picking up my Carnival palette and taking the color Lights Out on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to pack on that color onto the base, and that just helps to set it and deepen the color payoff. Next, I'll be picking up Intuition and blending that on a blending brush and setting that right above that black color that I had just put down and just blending that out. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps that I did on the right, and I'm going to do that now onto the left. I'm also adding a little bit of haul from the palette to create a nice gradient, just because I really like that nice blown out black to brown smoky eye look. Most importantly, it's important to take your time to blend as much as possible. I add highlight from Juvia's Place in the color Nubian to her brow bone. Next are my lashes in the style Savage. I use a little lash band to help me get the glue nice and tacky. This is a sanitary way to dry the lashes. Now I'm just laying down a primer on her face, and I'm using my Mercier primer. Now I'm testing out a good color match for her just to be sure it's the correct color before I place her foundation all over her face and get to blending it out. And I blend out foundation with tapping motions depending on the type of foundation. I'm using Maybelline. I don't remember the color, but it will be in the description bar. But I use tapping motions to blend this foundation out because it's very creamy and more liquidy. I'm using Juvia's Place in the color 13, then E.L.F's Tan Neutral to give a nice bright highlight under the eyes. And I'm blending it all out with my Real Techniques brush. Time to contour the nose. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation stick. Again, I don't remember the name of this one, but it will be in the description bar. And when I'm placing this contour color down, I am blending at the same time with the stick.
What we do here is go
now I'm going to go
back,
over that contour and the highlight area with my beauty sponge, and this is just to make sure there are no harsh lines between the contour and the highlight. Now I'm quickly setting under her eyes to prevent any creasing. I know it seems like a lot of setting powder, but she's very oily and I want her makeup to last all night, as of course she's going out for her birthday. I use Deep Cinnamon to contour the face, and then I blend it out with a Real Techniques brush as well, the small Instapop brush. Now I'm bronzing her face with Black Radiance Warm Beige, and this is a perfect color for her. She doesn't like hard contour and things like that, just a nice bronzy, look. I'm dusting away all the setting powder with a foundation brush. This gets rid of the excess powder as well as giving a seamless blend. I'm using my setting brush to dust away the powder that's underneath her eyes because we want to be very gentle with under the eyes. That skin there is very thin. Yes, now we're taking some birthday shots. The shots were so good. She told me I looked like I needed to go out the way I took that shot. Alright, moving on. I then use my dryer, same one I use for the lashes, to dry the setting spray that I used on her face, which was the Urban Decay All Nighter spray. And then I highlight her face with Nubian, again from Juvia's Place. Unfortunately, after this, you guys, my camera died. I'm so upset, but you guys did get to see the look, and that's all that matters. I hope you guys like this look, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Thank you so much, Rosebuds, for coming to visit my channel. Bye!